Now that we've explored various real estate models, are you finding it tough to choose a sound investment strategy? Real estate investment is wide-ranging. While there's no single strategy for all, the best one depends on numerous factors. We will simplify these in this video. The first factor to consider is your income. How much do you make, and how much can you set aside for property investing? This will dictate your investment scale, if you can buy a condominium or an apartment complex. Then, consider your assets. Possessing properties or valuable assets can be leveraged for financing investments. For example, your home equity could secure a loan for investment property. The third element is your time availability. Real estate investing could be a full-time job or a side gig, based on your chosen strategy. If you have a full-time job, consider less hands-on strategies like investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, or employing a property management company. Finally, determine if this is a passive income strategy or job you want to be actively involved in. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, strategies like buy and hold or investing in REITs might suit you better. On the other hand, if you find excitement in flipping houses and getting your hands dirty, then a fix and flip strategy might be the way to go. Remember, the best strategy is the one that aligns with your goals, financial situation, and personal preferences. Assess your situation, research strategies, and select one. We will soon illustrate examples to help you decide. So stay tuned, because your journey to successful real estate investing is just getting started. To summarize, choosing the best real estate investment strategy involves considering your income, assets, and time. It's about aligning with your personal and financial goals. Research thoroughly before deciding, because in the world of real estate investing, patience and informed decision-making are key to success.